This question is from GATE 2016 Mechanical Engineering Paper Set 3, question number 23. Internal gears are manufactured by option A hobbing, option B shaping with pinion cutter, option C shaping with rack cutter, or option D milling. Let's see. Now, as the name suggests, in internal gears, the teeth of the gears are to be cut inside the surface of the cylinder, that is, on the internal surface. And this is done so that the gear can mesh with the spur gear. So definitely the shape and accuracy requirement for cutting the teeth in internal gears is a bit tricky, and therefore hobbing, milling or the rack cutters are not suitable to manufacture internal gears. So therefore we should use a pinion cutter, which is a part of the gear shaper machine, to manufacture the internal gears. Now that we have the answer, let's go back and mark the correct option. So option B has it. Internal gears are manufactured by shaping with pinion cutter. To learn more about gears, you can refer to the NPTEL video Introduction to Gears. It's from the course Metrology. The course is by Professor Sadashivappa. He is from Mechanical Engineering Department of Bapuji Institute of Technology. I hope this explanation will help you clear your doubt. Thank you.